The electoral bond scheme was a mode of funding political parties from their introduction in 2017 till they were struck unconstitutional by the Supreme Court on 15 February 2024. It may have been passed with good intentions, but it has created loopholes for corruption and undue influence. Critics also argue that the electoral bond scheme allows for unchecked influence by corporations and wealthy individuals, undermining the very foundation of democracy. The Supreme Court's decision to declare the electoral bond scheme unconstitutional is a significant development with far-reaching implications for India's political and electoral system, as it allowed for unlimited and undisclosed corporate donations to political parties. In its ruling, the SC held that the electoral bond scheme violates the principles of transparency, accountability and free and fair elections.
बॉन्ड्स एक अच्छा स्टेप था भारतीय सरकार की तरफ से। उसमें बेसिकली ये था कि करप्शन जो होती है इन फॉर्म ऑफ डोनेशन टू द नेशनल पार्टीज और रीजनल पार्टीज, उसको ख़त्म करने के लिए।
इससे मतलब पार्टीज को क्या फ़ायदा होता है?
पार्टीज को नहीं, नेशन को तो फ़ायदा है ना। नेशन पार्टीज को तो वैसे भी फ़ायदा होता था। नंबर 2 में पैसे आते थे, पहले अनअकाउंटेबल होते थे, अब अकाउंटेबल पैसे हैं, किसने दिए, नंबर 1 में पैसे आ रहे हैं पार्टी के पास।
The ruling has sparked debate among political parties and stakeholders. Some have welcomed the decision as a step towards clean and transparent governance, while others have expressed concern about the impact on funding sources for political activities.
सोचने की बात है कि एक तरीके से फंड जो कि कोई भी उसको गलत इस्तेमाल करे, ना बताए कि वो कहाँ से आ रहा है, कहाँ जा रहा है, कौन इस्तेमाल कर रहा है, तो दिस इज़ टोटली अनएक्सेप्टेबल फॉर आवर इंडियन डेमोक्रेसी. दिस शुड नॉट हैपन. दिस विल अगेन लीड टू हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग. सो आई एम 100% of that opinion कि this is a correct decision.
It is the scheme where corruption is illegal. Chanda do, danda lo. People, the companies are giving directly money to the government, and more than 50% of the electoral bonds are went to the ruling party as it is. So ruling party can give the contracts. Ruling party, there are a lot of cases where companies gave electoral bonds and they got contract.
Now the question arises, if not electoral bond scheme, then what is the alternative? What is another way to fund the political parties? With cameraman Varshita, I Nitika Bansal for Chitkara News.